Hi, I'm Jennifer Kovleski. I'm with Flexera product marketing team, and we have some new versions of Snow License Manager and Snow Inventory Server coming out soon, and we wanted to make you aware of that and so you can plan your update. So what's changing? We first released Snow License Manager in 2018, and since then we've had dozens of releases, and our current release is 9.45. What we're doing is we're standardizing our release naming conventions to the year that the release happens. So we're starting that in 2025 with version 25.1.0 of Snow License Manager and Snow Inventory Server, and that will be available in September of 2025. We've also announced the end of life and end of support for Snow License Manager 9.x, all the versions of 9 and 6 of Snow Inventory Server. So end of life means that we will no longer provide feature enhancements, maintenance updates, or patching for those versions. And then end of support means you can no longer get support for those versions. So what we'd like you to do is to plan your update to Snow License Manager version 25.1.0 and Snow Inventory Server 25.1.0. There are no architecture changes to be worried about. It's simply we're just changing the name. So that's the reason for the major version update, is to really align our naming convention. The process should be very similar to what you've experienced in the past of upgrading Snow License Manager and Snow Inventory Server. If you have questions, please contact the Flexera support team. They are here to help you. The other option you have is to consider upgrading to Snow Atlas. So Snow Atlas is our SaaS alternative for Snow License Manager, and we've made a lot of improvements with Snow Atlas over Snow License Manager over the last several years. Snow Atlas first came on the market in 2021, so it's been in the market for a while. If you are interested in exploring this option, please contact your Flexera sales or partner representative. Wanted to cover some of the notable features that we've released in Snow License Manager. We've been busy cranking out feature enhancements. And so if you're not on some of these versions, you're missing out. So for example, we've released support for Windows Server 2025 for license compliance. We've added functionality to be verified by Oracle for Oracle Fusion middleware products. We've been recertified by Oracle for Oracle Java. And we've made other enhancements for quarantine management and custom fields. Also wanted to highlight some of the reasons why you might want to consider upgrading to Snow Atlas. We just released an AI-based importing of entitlement data feature. So this should reduce errors and significantly reduce the time it takes to add purchase orders, invoices, and quotes to your software asset management tool. We also released Flexera Assist. It's another AI feature. So this is a chatbot that you can talk directly with the documentation. We also have added read and write APIs. So one of the things that Snow License customers love is having access to their data. So we've made this a possibility with Snow Atlas. Another notable enhancement over Snow License Manager is our SaaS management capabilities. We've added so many features for SaaS management with connectors for Cloud Access Security Broker, SSO connectors. Our browser extension now discovers 25,000 applications versus 8,000. We also have major improvements to our Microsoft 365 ServiceNow and Salesforce connectors. So a lot of new features to explore there. Additionally, we are planning significant improvements to data processing. So the data update job is no longer going to be a thing in Snow Atlas. The data will be processed in near real time for Snow Atlas. So that I know that's been a pain point for Snow License Manager customers. So that might be another reason to upgrade. In getting on Snow Atlas, you will no longer have to deal with version upgrades anymore. You get instant access to features as they come out. That's all I wanted to share. If you have any questions of this update, please reach out to your support representative or your sales representative or partner contact. Thank you.